Ismail Ahmed Naqs from Somalia. My question is, how does a person go out buy a home in the West without interest riba? As far as if you don't have the money to buy the house completely, then but natural you should not take loan from the conventional bank, which is riba based. That is haram. But many of the Western countries have Islamic alternatives. You can go to an Islamic bank, whether it be in UK, whether it be in America. There are Islamic banks which work on the Sharia principles. You can take a loan from the Islamic bank which is not based on riba. It is based on a particular system called ijara, and various other options are there. Or it can be cost plus. In this system, very well you can take from Islamic bank and pay an installment. This is not dealing with riba. This is one of the ways that you can do, or there are many Muslim organizations which have a pool of money where they internally help members among themselves, where they give a loan to the member of the organization who pays in installments. So as long as it is not riba based, it is as per the Sharia, it is Sharia compliant, very well you can use this system in purchasing the house. But taking from a conventional bank which is riba based is totally haram.